What do people have to face in the long river of their lives? Expectation, joy,
宝宝难受吗？
encouragement, companionship,
来了。
consolation, certainty. What we have been pursuing is an exploration of life. We always insist on submitting a reliable report for every life. When upset, professionalism is the source of our commitment.
医生来了。
您的肿瘤盘查报告已经出来了，各项数据指标都很正常，可以不用担心。
太好了。
我们亚汇龙设备已经在贵院安装1个月了，不知道使用起来是否便利呢？
妈妈，我想回家。
检测报告出来了。
When seeking breakthrough, technology is the basis of iteration.
自从进来这批设备啊，工作效率啊提高了。
When exploring health, innovation is the foundation of development. During the long journey of exploring life and health, with Report, we interpret more possibilities for life. Committed to innovation, we acquire a better understanding of life. We meet the changes of surviving and developing with our own changes, with every step of exploration and every single attempt. We make tests more intelligent and reports more accurate. Breaking the boundaries of the unknown. With innovative technology, we will sail into a more distant future. Since our establishment in 2008, YHLO has insisted on the road of innovation and development. Over the years, we have continued to increase investment in innovative product development and academic research. As a national intellectual property demonstration enterprise, we have consecutively published in well-known medical journals, such as JAMA, BMJ, Nature Medicine, Cell, The Lancet Infectious Diseases, etc. We conduct in-depth multi-center clinical research in the field of autoimmunity, reproduction health, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, infection, liver disease, etc., and provide better services for the clinical applications. Meanwhile, YHLO has carried out industry-university research strategic cooperation with many universities and scientific research institutions, and established multiple cooperation platforms, such as Precise Diagnosis Technology Joint Laboratory and Infectious Disease Molecular Diagnosis Joint Laboratory. We insist that talents are the core of the sustainable development of our company. We actively establish internal and external development plans for human resources and cultivate high-quality professionals in the field of IVD. At the same time, several postdoctoral fellows in the YHLO Postdoctoral Innovation Practice Base have contributed to the exploration of new methods of rapid diagnosis of diseases. The research involves basic and cutting-edge scientific issues, such as analyzing the structure of unknown proteins, molecular dynamic simulation, and screening of major disease targets. Quality is the lifeblood of an enterprise. YHLO always adheres to the customer-oriented concept, constantly improving the quality of products and services, continuously consolidating our core competitiveness and sustainable development capabilities, meeting and exceeding expectations of our customers. The cell phone products of our company have covered more than 3,800 domestic medical institution customers, of which tertiary grade A hospitals account for 56.94%. Regarding the protection of human health as the starting point, YHLO has given full play to the advantages of scientific and technological innovation in life and health, further improved the layout of in-vitro diagnostic subdivisions, and committed to sustainable and high-quality development. YHLO has become a leading enterprise in the global immunodiagnosis industry and will open up new territories for the medical industry of China. We rely on every report, to witness every growth, to listen to every prayer, to answer every call. We make health within your reach and deliver it all across the world. With the power of wisdom and innovation, we guide for health and we report to life. Focus on healthcare. Better life with technology.